Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best treadmills under 500 that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the eKinFit Folding Electric Motorized Treadmill. Using this motorized treadmill from eKinFit is one of the efficient ways to burn those additional calories and achieve a healthy and fit lifestyle. A 2.5 HP durable motor powers this running equipment, offer the user a long-term companion for fitness. The handlebar controls the speed for running from 0.5 to 8.5 miles per hour conveniently. The exceptional deck offers perfect cushioning for back, knee, and ankle joints that assists your body and muscles in recovering faster from the soreness of the workout. It always keeps a careful eye on your statistics and displays them on the highly contrasting screen. The machine also includes a magnetic key that immediately turns off the device for user safety. This foldable machine comes with a 17 inches wide design that offers multiple layered cushioning to the body while you are busy exercising. The running console comes with 2 holders for your bottles to make sure that you have your drinks ready within your reach during the workouts. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Urevo Foldable Electric Treadmills for Home. For a truly convenient and efficient approach for losing weight and toning the body, this home treadmill from Urevo can be your ideal companion. The sturdy and compact construction of the machine is composed of a steel frame with a powder coating that allows the user to perform all the cardio exercises from the comfort of your home. Working out on this treadmill is a boon to the user who is interested in brisk walking or running for almost 3 kilometers per day. The treadmill includes 12 pre-installed programs for training that come with architecture to simulate any natural and challenging terrain. The LCD with a user-centric controlling panel allows you to install a speed up between 1 to 12 km per hour and also monitors different other parameters. The energy-efficient and powerful motor produces seamless and smooth operation for the user during their rigorous exercise sessions. The soft grip and anti-slipping handlebar make every workout routine comfortable and enjoyable. You can also fold away the machine when your exercise session is done for the day. At number 3, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness SFT7515 Treadmill. The SFT7515 treadmill from Sunny and Health comes with state-of-the-art technology that will keep you connected. It has a 16.5 by 49.5 running path which provides sufficient space for everyone in the family. It comes with a powerful 2.2 HP motor. This treadmill offers 12 levels of incline. The speed ranges from 1 to 8 miles per hour. This treadmill has a backlit digital LCD display. It comes with 12 preset interval programs that manipulate speed, time, and incline. This treadmill has a soft drop system for easy folding, and transportation wheels allow for easy mobility. It features Bluetooth connectivity, enabling you to listen to music and take calls while working out. The max weight limit of this treadmill is 250 pounds. At number 2, we have the XTERRA Ratr 150 Folding Treadmill. The TR 150 Folding Treadmill is an ideal for beginners. It has a long walking surface measuring at 16 inches by 50 inches. It has 2.25 HP motor which guarantees silent operation. The speed ranges from 0.5 to 10 miles per hour that enables all fitness levels users. It features 3 manual incline settings that allow for max variety. This treadmill comes with 12 preset programs that offer unmatched variety for workouts. It has a 5-inch LCD display that keeps you updated on speed, time, distance, incline, and calories. It comes fitted with handlebars which include hand grip pulse sensors to measure your heart rate. It has a weight limit of 250 pounds. This treadmill comes with a variety of add-ons including a book rack and several accessory holders that can fit your books, tablet, and remote controls. Overall, this is one of the best affordable treadmills to defend the wearing joints. And finally at number 1, we have the Exerpeutic TF1000 electric treadmill, best treadmill for walking. This electric treadmill has a space-saving feature. It means the user can easily fold the treadmill to store it within the small space. TF1000 high capacity has designed to make walking and running exercises easy. There is 1.5 horsepower high torque motor in this treadmill. The feature which the buyers love most about the motor is the quiet operation of it. There is no noise of the motor. The belt size is 40-inch L x 20-inch W. Maximum weight capacity of the treadmill is 400 pounds. It comes with 2 manual incline position. You can adjust speed in increments of 1/10 mph up to a maximum of 4 miles per hour. There is also speed control button which helps to operate the treadmill. Also added heart pulse pads. The LCD window features the elapsed time, distance walked, calories burned, speed and pulse monitoring. This treadmill features very long safety handles with the heart rate sensors that are more accurate than thumb-only HR monitors. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.